Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about something exciting. We are going to talk about how to win the Mega Millions lottery jackpot and the Powerball jackpot. Sound crazy, right? I think so too. But I have a theory. As crazy as it sounds, listen to me out. All right. Now, the Powerball jackpot has grown to $730 million. And the Mega Millions is now at $970 million jackpot, almost $1 billion. Now, I've been playing for years, haven't won much anything for years, but the past years mostly, I have started doing something and it is working. Not by much, but it is working. Now, I've been using my birthday, favorite number, anniversary, whatever. None of it works. I use Quick Pick too. That doesn't work neither for me. But there are many jackpot lottery winners using Quick Pick. I think it's just random luck. Well, I believe in luck, but I believe in math too. Now, in college, I took some probability classes, some statistic classes. I think I passed them with a C, barely. I think. I'm not sure. It's been so long ago. I think I might have to take the statistic class twice because I flunked the first time. Anyway, that was so long ago at the University of Kentucky in Lexington, Kentucky. My major was beers and girls. But anyway, now let's get back to how to win the lottery jackpot. All right, now lately, actually, a few years ago, I have tried to write a program on to calculate the number that's drawn the most. Which number come up the most? But by the you know how the I download the winning numbers and then I put them in a files. Then I write a small program to pick the frequency of the number that drawn the most, and the frequency number come up the least. You know, it's been years since I write a program. My profession is I'm an IT engineer. I'm a Linux, Unix system guy. I'm not really a programmer. I started out as a programmer a very long time ago, but I'm not a programmer. So I did that. I just come up with some numbers, but I wasn't sure that my calculation, my programming is correct. I spent months trying to figure it out, but I don't trust my data. So I went to another solution. I download all the data, I put them in a spreadsheet, then I use spreadsheet formula to calculate the data to figure out which number come up the most, which number come up the least. But it was a lot of work. Then I thought it was a genius. You know, I thought, oh my God, no one's ever thought of this. I thought it was a genius trying to think about this. So I look up on Google which number come up the most, which number come up the least. Do you know that there are websites that will tell you the frequency of the winning number in Mega Millions and Powerball? I go, oh my gosh, it's already there for me. It's laid out beautifully. But so I didn't have to write my own program or do my stupid spreadsheet anymore. The data is there. And the last year or so, I have been using the data in the spreadsheet to pick the number. You know, I haven't won the jackpot, obviously, or else I wouldn't be making this YouTube video. But I have won more than I did before. I've won like $10, $8, $20. I mean, you know, when I spend 10 bucks, I might win $10 or $20 sometime, which is more than I ever win by using the frequency. What I do is I pick the frequency of a few number that come up the most. In my ticket, in my lottery tickets, then I put down a few number that doesn't come up at all. So I tried that strategy and it seems to work. I haven't won a jackpot yet. Maybe if you haven't heard about these websites that can tell you the frequency of which number come up the most, which number come up the least, it might help you pick the right number. Science is everything, right? The universe is run on maths. Even the drawing of the winning numbers for the lottery, it's all math, right? Statistically, you would think that each number should come up with the same number of frequency. Say we've been playing this game for 20, 25 years now. Let's see, for Powerball, for example, you have to pick 1 through 69, 5 numbers from 1 through 69, and then you have to pick one Powerball that's from 1 to 26. Statistically, each number should come up equally in frequency, but they are not. And I don't know why that is. Maybe there's some different weight in the manufacturing of the ball. I have no idea. I don't know why that is. I don't think there's any cheating going on. I think it's a very fair, good game, but I don't know why the number come up the way it is. So I found this website and it's been helping me. Maybe some voodoo science. I have no idea. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. But let me show you these websites, and maybe you can play around with it as well. But here's some fun stuff, something fun to think about. And so let me show you this website, friends. Here we go. Hey guys, this is the website I want to tell you guys about, lotterynumbers.com. This website will give you the statistics, the winning, the most frequency drawing, the most winning, the winning frequency of the winning numbers for Powerball, Mega Millions, Lotto America, and different games in different states. Someone had won the Powerball jackpot yesterday. A single winner in Maryland won a jackpot of $730 million. Anyway, so we have tomorrow night, Friday night, January 22nd. The jackpot for Mega Millions will be $970 million. All right, let's go to Mega Millions. Okay, guys. So this is the Mega Millions last 10 drawings. Okay. Let me see. The next drawing will be Friday the 22nd. Jackpot is $970 million. Okay. So how do you get the right number? I've been using all sort of voodoo science, birthday, my sacred numbers. None of it works. So I fall back on science, doing some statistic and probability. This website gives you that statistic that you're looking for. Let's take a look at let's look at the number frequency. Right now we are looking at the frequency from 2017 to 2021. You can tell that number 1 had been drawn 25 times, number 2 has been drawn 22 times, and you go all the way down to 51. Let me see. Then 51 been drawn 16 times, 40 been drawn 19 times. Okay. So, and 70 been drawn 31 times. This is the frequency. Now, if you click on all draws, you can tell that it's been the first time this game played was on September 6, 1996 to January 19, 2021, a few days ago. Number 1 had been drawn 207 times. if you scroll down, you will see they mostly around 200 times until you get to 51, which is only 182 times, which means at some point the game was expanded from 50 to 51. You know, at the beginning I think it was only 1 to 50, then they add 51 through 75s. Then they reduce uh, to now, which is only from 1 through 70. So if you click on all draws, you get the wrong result, the wrong statistics. So that's why I like to look at the last 4 years, because maybe the manufacturing of the ball, of the people, is of the ball has changed, or they use different balls. In the when they spin that little wheel to get the ball fall out. I have no idea, but all draws will not work because it has more number than it is using now. So that's give you the wrong statistics. So the last 4 years is probably give you the best statistics. This is the frequency. The same thing for the mega balls from 1 through 25, but that's way too many numbers to look at. Okay, so let's take a look at the most common numbers. The common numbers, this is easier to deal with. Number 10 been drawn 34 times, 31 34 times, and 46 right here, 28 times. You know, and the same thing down here. If you take a look at the mega ball, the same thing. 22 has been drawn 21 times. The last drawn was 91 days ago. Number 11, 19 times. The last drawn was 14 days ago. And if and this is the most common, the most common numbers. They're basically difference from this is 34 times through 28 times, which is number 46. Okay, let's take a look at the least common numbers, which is numbers come up the least. Number 21's is been drawn 14 times only instead of 34 times. I don't know why that is. They should all be equally, roughly close. It still is, but this is the least common numbers. If you want to look at the least common numbers, the same thing with the mega balls. Number 8 only been drawn 7 times. Number 3 only been drawn 10 times. Okay. You can also look at the most overdue numbers. Number 40 was last drawn 203 days ago on July 3rd, 2020. And you can go down the list. And the same thing with the mega ball. Number 24 was last draw 203 days ago. So the idea here is if it's way overdue, it should come up anytime soon, right? So if number 40 is 203 days ago, so the idea is you should pick number 40s because it should come up, because it hasn't been drawn in a long time. The probability is that's what it's telling you. So this is the most common pairs. 39 to 59 come up the most, come up 7 times. Obviously, there's no common pairs for mega ball because there's only one mega ball. Most common triplets, most common quadruplet. Okay, you can pick that. And I don't know why they don't have the most common septuplet, which means the most common 5 pairs, five numbers. I guess there's so few of them that they don't have it. I guess I mean, if you take a look at the most common quadruplets, number 11, 44, 45, and 46 come up twice. You know, and these only come up one time. Okay, and let's see, most common triplets, 10, 38, 43 come up 3 times. It's amazing. All right, so you can use this website to pick out your winning numbers, you know, um, or you can, if you want to take a look at the last 6 months winning numbers, or the winning number in 2021, winning number in 2019. This is all facts and data, which is meaningless. Okay. All right. Let's go back to Mega Millions and the most common numbers. So I'm using this website, try to figure out the winning numbers for my Mega Ball. Trying to pick the right winnings number for my Mega Ball lottery. I hope this website helped you guys out. It hasn't helped me out any. Actually, it does. It helped me wins, not the jackpot, but I'm winning more of a $10, $20. I get sometime I get 2 balls right or 3 balls right. A lot more using this website than using Quick Pick. So this is a website, guys, that would help you find the winning numbers. But if you do win the jackpot, don't spend any of it. Get the principal and put it in a funds that give you dividends, and then spend the dividends. Don't spend the principal. You know, they always show, you know, on TV, they always tell you what would the take home pay will be. Let's take a look at this website. What is the website? Look at the website to website for take home pay Mega Millions. Mega Millions. Alright. Mega Million Ball analysis. Okay. Okay, guys. If you're winning the jackpot this Friday for 970 millions, the cash option would be 716 millions. Okay, I would take the cash option. And the federal tax would be 24%. That would be 172 billions right off the bat. And then the government is taking an additional 37% on top of that. They will get another 93 millions. Okay? And depending on which states that you're living in. Some states don't have tax, some states do have tax. I live in Georgia, so I have to, if I win it, I will have to pay an additional 41 millions, a 5.75% state tax. And my net payout would be 410 millions. Okay? And if you live in Florida, there's no state tax. Your net payout would be 451 millions. That's still a lot. Okay. So, I hope I win it. If not, I hope you would win it. If not this coming Friday, might be another times. I would take this principal right here and don't spend any of it. Split it up. Put it on different stock funds. that give you dividends, like 3% dividends and 4% dividends, and you can live on that. 400 millions. Let's see what 3% of 400 millions is. Let's say you put 400 millions in some in different stocks, funds that give you 3% dividends. That's low yield actually. We're going very conservative. And give you 10 millions. Put that 10 millions in the bank for Lambos, hoes, blows, whatever you want to use it for. All right. Let me see what's the 400 millions. Okay, here's is that 400 millions? Okay, that's 400 million. That's a lot of numbers. Times 3%. You will get paid out 12 million monthly, yearly for it. You will get $1 million a month to live on. I think that's quite that'd be plenty to live on. 1 million a month. You get 12 million a year. All right, and you won't have to touch your 400 million principal at all. So you will never go broke. All right, guys. I hope you win it. Hey, there's something else I want to continue. Watch a few videos on this, on The Secret. Watch The Secret. YouTube, The Secret. Watch this. The law of attraction. And hopefully,
and that was that I was
use some law of attraction and get you what you want. You tell the universe what you want and put some math and probability into it. Maybe it will mean something. All right, guys, this is a fun video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you all next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye, guys.